Ever tried making a simple pot of soup or a batch of pasta, only to end up with burnt edges, sticking sauce, or uneven cooking? It's frustrating, especially when all you want is a quick, healthy meal without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. That's where the Alva Maestro 2-piece ceramic nonstick cookware set comes in. This 2-piece starter set, a 2-quart saucepan and a 4.5-quart stock pot, promises easy, safe, and even cooking with a ceramic non-stick coating that's completely free from PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS. It's designed for everyday cooks who want convenience, durability, and healthier meals, and today we're putting it to the test. Right out of the box, the Alva Maestro cookware feels surprisingly lightweight yet sturdy. The aluminum body heats quickly, and the ceramic coating gives the set a sleek, modern look. Both pots come with vented glass lids, which makes it easy to monitor cooking without lifting the lid and letting heat escape. The handles are stainless steel and securely riveted, giving a solid grip even when the pots are full of soup or sauce. Everything about the design screams practicality and ease of use. The ceramic nonstick coating is the real star here. Unlike traditional nonstick cookware, which often relies on PTFE or PFOA, the Alva Maestro set is completely free from harmful chemicals. That means you can sauté vegetables, cook delicate fish, or simmer sauces with minimal oil and no worrying about flaking or synthetic fumes. In practice, food slides out effortlessly and cleaning is a breeze. Even sticky oatmeal or tomato sauce washes away quickly. And while the set is dishwasher-safe, a quick hand wash with warm water and mild soap keeps the coating looking new. Performance-wise, the lightweight aluminum body distributes heat evenly across the bottom and sides, eliminating hot spots. I tested both pots on a variety of cooktops, gas, electric, and induction, and the results were consistent every time. Soups heated evenly, sauces didn't scorch, and pasta water boiled quickly. The stock pot, with its 4.5-quart capacity, is perfect for family-sized meals, while the 2-quart saucepan is ideal for smaller tasks like sauces, grains, or reheating leftovers. The fact that both pots are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit adds extra versatility. You can start a dish on the stove and finish it in the oven without transferring to another pan. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the ceramic coating and vented lids. The scratch-resistant exterior means you don't have to worry about metal utensils leaving marks, though I still recommend using silicone or wooden tools to prolong the life of the coating. The dishwasher works fine, but hand washing preserves the ceramic's glossy finish longer. Overall, these pots make daily cooking feel simpler, faster, and less messy. That said, there are a few things to consider. The set only includes 2 pots, so if you often cook multiple dishes at once, you may still need additional cookware. The ceramic coating is durable but not indestructible. Using metal utensils or stacking pots without protection can damage it. And while lightweight, the stock pot can still feel a bit large when full of heavy liquids, so you want to handle it carefully. Compared to other starter cookware sets in the same price range, like the Green Pan 2-piece or the Tefal ceramic sets, the Alva Maestro stands out for its combination of induction compatibility, oven safety, and chemical-free nonstick surface. Some competitors may offer more pieces, but few match the Alva Maestro's versatility and focus on safety and even heating in a 2-pot package. Who should get this cookware? New cooks, small families, or anyone looking for a safe, reliable, and versatile set of pots that can handle everything from boiling pasta to simmering sauces. Who might skip it? Those needing a complete multi-piece set or larger stock pots for big meals might want to supplement with additional pans. It's safe, durable, easy to clean, and performs exceptionally for everyday cooking. For anyone starting their kitchen or upgrading from older nonstick pans, it's a practical, reliable choice. If you're ready to cook healthier, easier, and without worry, check the link in the description. If this review helped, tap like, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.